Not all lawyers are created equally. I know it's a strange way to start a video, but sometimes people hire lawyers and they realize early on, or maybe even down the road, that I don't know if this choice was the right choice for this case. Maybe he has other cases that he'd rather look at instead of my case, or she always seems busy when I call. There's lots of reasons why you don't have a good fit with a lawyer, or maybe the information in your case is just maybe over that lawyer's head. It's not exactly what they were doing, and you hired someone, you felt like you were in desperate need of a lawyer and just made a decision. In Florida, there are protections for that. Most specifically, you can get another lawyer. It's not illegal, it's not frowned upon, it's not inappropriate. You need to have the right lawyer for you, because ultimately, when you make that final decision to resolve your case or take it to trial and risk it all, you need to do it with someone who you trust and you feel good in terms of taking advice and doing whatever it is you're going to do on your case. If you're in a personal injury or wrongful death case and you're not using a contingency fee agreement, full stop, that's not a good relationship. Don't do that. There's no reason for that. You shouldn't be paying out of pocket for a lawyer to handle an injury or a death case in Florida. In the standard contingency fee agreement in Florida, it absolutely provides a provision for you to seek another lawyer. And when you do seek that other lawyer, there's two things that are going to happen. First is, it's not an adversarial process. Your new lawyer can simply contact your old lawyer and let them know that their services won't be needed anymore, that they're going to take up the case from that point in time. The second thing is, no one's not getting paid. The former lawyer is going to have a lien for the work that they've done, and your new lawyer is going to accept that lien, understand it, and between them, they're going to work out whatever that lien is worth, okay? Technically in Florida, you can be in a situation where both lawyers need to be paid. So the question you want to ask when you're changing lawyers, is that lien going to be subsumed into the total fee, or am I going to be paying two fees? And if it is going to be two fees, figure out what those two fees are by simply talking to your lawyers and talk to them. The biggest takeaway from can I hire a new lawyer is be open and communicate, okay? Many times people will call me who they already have a lawyer and ask them, who is your current lawyer? And they won't tell me. And the reason I'm asking is not because I want to figure out who you don't like. I want to know if it's somebody I know, because I'm going to pick up the phone and I'm going to call them and say, hey, one of your clients is calling me. Maybe you should call them and you guys can work it out. Maybe you're having trouble communicating. Or Shirley might tell me, I'm having a difficult time with them communicating. Maybe they'd be better with you. And that's how a good transfer of representation should work, okay? Lawyers who you call who want your case when you have an unhappy relationship with your current lawyer, and they say, yeah, just sign here, let's go. That should give you some pause, okay? We're not in the business of stealing cases from one another, and if you are, then that's probably not somebody you definitely, that you want to go with, right? You can transfer lawyers. That's not a problem. Your contract provides for it. Look at your contract. There's a clear paragraph about it. But the biggest thing is communicate. If that's something you want to do, communicate with your current lawyer, communicate with the new lawyer, have them communicate with each other. Then that way you know exactly what's going to happen and how it's going to affect your case financially. If we can help you with any questions, talk to you about your case. If you've been injured or a loved one has been killed for any reason, especially a negligent reason, call us. We'd love to work with you. And like and subscribe. So if you have any other questions, I'm happy to take them. Thanks so much.